Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Margrove Road in Salford to show you this fantastic chain-free property. 3-bedroom semi-detached with off-road parking. Coming in to the entrance hallway, and to the right we have a spacious and well presented lounge and the potential there for a dining room. Got great space here, bay fronted, all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. We've got a large patio door here which opens up to the fantastic low maintenance rear garden, situated over 3 tiers. We've also got a garage at the back there for storage. And then coming back into the hallway, we've got access through to the kitchen. So there's a dining table in here. This could be used as the kitchen diner, or you could have a lounge diner, as there's plenty of space for it. In the next reception room, so we've got a modern fitted kitchen here, and again we've got space down there for a dining table. And then coming out the side of the property to the rear, as you can see here, we've got a detached garage there which is currently used as storage. You can see the patio doors that we've got, and then we've got this absolutely fantastic laid to lawn garden with mature planted borders, over 3 floors here, 3 tiers. Got a lovely seated area here, nice and private, high fences, not overlooked, and lovely and peaceful, as you can see here. We've got a squirrel in the garden on the top tier, and then coming down, obviously we can see the house from the back here as well, and the garage. Now this property is coming to the market chain free, benefits from 3 generous sized bedrooms, a fitted bathroom suite and a modern fitted kitchen, off-road parking to the side, and we are situated in a very well sought after area within walking distance to Light Oaks Park, within catchment of some fantastic local schools and transport links taking you to Manchester city centre, Salford Quays, surrounding areas, and lots of other amenities. So here we've got our main bedroom, bay fronted, bringing in lots of natural light. Got fitted wardrobes in this bedroom and the second bedroom as well. As you can see, it's a full width of the room. Second bedroom, similar size. Fantastic double bed in there. Wardrobes the full length of the room as well. And as we can see, we've got a fantastic view of the garden. Goes all the way to the back. Situated over 3 tiers. And then here we've got the third and final bedroom. Another generous size, as you can see, overlooking the rear of the property. And then completing the first floor, we have a 3-piece shower room. So this has been a property on Margrove Road, a 3-bedroom semi-detached, coming to the market chain free. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 061 707 4900.